Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change theme on eBay on an Android device. First thing first, you can open eBay app on your device. After that, here you can click My eBay menu. After that, you can scroll down. Okay, after that, here you can click Settings option. And then you can select theme. After that, here you can select any theme you want to apply between light, dark, battery saver, and system default. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change theme on eBay app on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.